Good morning, SK. I'm Ray J.
And I'm Kayla. In today's show, we have breaking news for seniors. Hear about a big event happening tomorrow for the class of 2025.
Many clubs meet today and many are still starting. See what SK has to offer.
And we take a look at crosswalk safety. All this and more on today's show.
To start us off with general news, a couple announcements from security. Lost and found items not claimed by the end of the week will be donated to charity. This will happen every Friday. You can go to the security office in the Commons during non-class time to collect your lost items. Parking passes are officially sold out. Remember, you cannot park on campus without a pass or you will be ticketed.
Attention all seniors. There will be a senior assembly tomorrow. This is just for the class of 2025. The assembly will be held in the main theater at 1:15. Keep in mind, this is a mandatory meeting. This assembly is to inform you about your upcoming graduation. Jostens will be there to provide information on class rings, graduation caps, and gowns. In Career Center news, the Northwest College of Art and Design presents today at 1. Sign up in the Career Center. If you plan to apply to multiple colleges, you should sign up for the Common App Workshop either tomorrow or next Monday.
The Career Center is also hosting a college essay application workshop given by a college admission counselor next Tuesday. Sign up for these workshops in the Career Center or use the form posted in your grade level classroom. Juniors, are you thinking of signing up for the PSAT? It costs only $18 and may help you get into a private school. This could be an opportunity for you. Sign up online in the web store at the ASB office today. Kitab Chains will be here today during lunches to hand out free Orca cards to students 17 and under. This gives you free transportation to wherever your heart desires, as long as Orca cards are accepted there. Riding the bus is a convenient way to get around, but with all that traffic, it is important to follow the rules of the road.
Wait!
What's wrong?
You need to press the button before you cross.
Why should I? It's a crosswalk. Everyone knows what that means.
Yes, but the buses can't always see you in the morning.
Oh, I never really thought about that. I'll start pressing the button now.
It's no surprise they teach us to look both ways before crossing the street in kindergarten. Get where you need to go, but stay safe. In sports news, boys water polo had a hard time against Silas last night. On varsity, goals came from Adam, Tate, and Chris. As for JV, Ben scored his first goal of the season. C-Team football also struggled in Seattle yesterday. Taylor Crittenden scored the lone rushing touchdown for the Wolves. In the schedule of events, boys tennis, girls golf, and girls swim will be away, and girls varsity soccer will be away while C-Team will be at home. Tomorrow, boys water polo will be competing at the pool, and football will also be at home. Don't forget, getting your ASB card will get you into tomorrow's game for free. And finally, a reminder to all students who plan to attend any home games. No backpacks will be admitted in the stadium or the gyms.
There is a lot of club news to get into. D&D will not be meeting during this month, but more information will be available during the SK Showcase on the 26th. If you're interested in learning about FCCLA's star events and traveling opportunities, join them next Monday in room 106. Come ready to learn what it takes to compete. QSA will begin meeting every Wednesday in room 102 starting October 2nd. All of the clubs meeting are 3D Wit, Art, Art Therapy, Bible, Ceramics, DECA, FFA, who will have root beer floats. Also meeting will be Flix Movie Club, German, Japanese, Psychology, Shades of Color, Spanish, STEM, which is having its first meeting, and of course, Unified. Meeting tomorrow will be AAPI and Drama Club. Are you going to the football game tomorrow?
Of course I am. It's Cougars versus Dogs Part 2.
Personally, I'll be getting in free with my ASB card.
You mean your Minga app?
ASB, Minga, they both work together, but we could talk more about that later.
Yeah, you're right. Hit it, director.